In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce with a Circle.so membership. This guide is perfect if you're looking to seamlessly connect your e-commerce platform with Circle, thus allowing for smooth membership management. Let's dive right in and take it step by step to ensure your setup is flawless. To begin with, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing every aspect of your WordPress site, and integrating new functionalities starts here. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the plugins section. Here, select Add New to begin searching for the Circle.so integration plugin. Once you've accessed the plugin library, type Circle.so into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. When you find the plugin listed, simply click Install Now, and after the installation is complete, activate it. This crucial step ensures the plugin is ready and working for the upcoming integration. The next step is to create a membership product within WooCommerce. Head over to the WooCommerce tab in your dashboard, select Products, and then Add New Product. Here, you'll set up your membership product. Remember to assign it a clear name and a price that reflects the value of what you're offering. Once you've filled out these details, click Publish to make it live on your store. With your product set up, it's time to configure the Circle.so settings. On the WordPress sidebar, click on the Circle.so plugin settings. You will need to connect your store to Circle.so using an API key, client ID, and client secret. During this process, make sure you have these credentials ready. Once you enter them, click Connect to establish the linkage. Now that you're connected, it's time to map your WooCommerce membership product to a Circle.so plan or space. This involves going to Settings, followed by Product Mapping. Select the product you've just created and assign it to the corresponding Circle.so plan or space. After that, don't forget to click Save to ensure these changes are properly saved. Testing the integration is a key step to confirm everything works as intended. Go to your WooCommerce store and purchase the membership product as a customer would. Pay attention to whether the member is automatically added to the correct Circle.so space or plan. This final verification step ensures everything is linked smoothly. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated WooCommerce with Circle.so, enhancing the capability of your online store. Remember, checking each step carefully helps avoid potential hiccups, and now you can enjoy the seamless operation of managing memberships effortlessly. Thank you for following along, and happy selling!